How to increase or decrease AI assistant sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. After that, tap on volume. Then we go down to the second panel down here and drag on the AI assistant volume slider bar. Here you can drag it to the left to decrease the volume, or drag it to the right hand side to increase the volume. Now you can hear as I drag it towards the left hand side, the volume will slowly decreases or increases. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.